Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create YouTube channel art or YouTube channel banners. So channel art is the first thing that visitors see when they visit your channel, so it's an important part of making a strong first impression. You can also use channel art to convey key informations about your channel, including your upload schedule, taglines, social media accounts and more. So before moving on to the designing part, here are a few details we need to keep in mind. The YouTube crops the image differently depending upon the device we are on. That is, on TV it will show the whole image, and on desktop it will be cropped and we can see only this much part. On tablets we have different cropped area and so on. So therefore, we need to keep our maximum content and details in this text and logo safe area. So everything inside this safe area will be visible on every device. You can easily download this template from Google. You can search for YouTube channel art size guide and download the image whichever looks similar and save it. We will be using it later as a reference. Now let's move on to the designing part. Go to canva.com, and if you are new to Canva, you can create a free account on Canva. And don't worry, for this tutorial I will be using everything which is available in Canva free version, so it is reachable to almost all of you. Search for YouTube channel art. In the suggestions you can find it. So you will land on a page where you can see there are a lot of predefined channel arts which you can use for your channel. You can filter them based on style, theme and price. But I'll show you how to create everything from scratch. So select create a blank YouTube channel art. So this is your Canva design editor, and this is your side panel where you can find different templates, elements and upload your own images. Use different photos, text, audios, videos, background and so on. So for this tutorial I will be creating a very basic channel art to give you all a head start, and also I'll make it generic so that everyone can use it. So I'll go to elements and search for girl icon. You can also search for a boy icon. I like this image. So you see, when I clicked it, I got this magic recommendation, which is basically the images of similar types. From these icons you can select a picture which you relate the most with. I guess I'll select this one. And now I'll just put some text. Welcome to my channel. So currently I am just putting everything I want in my channel art, and we will later adjust it according to the reference guide. Like, comment and subscribe. And with this, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So now we will add a background. So for background I will go with some similar color palette. So once we have all the elements, we will use the reference image to position our elements correctly. Go to uploads, and from upload media, upload the reference image. I have it right here. I'll resize it and position it to back. Reduce its transparency to about 60%. So now you will have an idea of where you need to place all your elements. So I need everything in the safe zone. So I'll reduce the size and position my text within the safe area. I'll change the text font to something more fancy. And yeah, there you go. So now I can remove this reference image and move further with my designing. To give my banner a more sophisticated look, go to elements and search for lace pattern, and we are looking for something like this. Although it is a lot busy pattern, so I'll go for something like this one. Increase its size, duplicate it, position it to back. Now I'll change its color to a little darker shade of purple to just have a embossed feeling. Now download the image, and once your image is downloaded, go to your YouTube channel studio, and from the side panel go to customization. There you will find branding. In branding, you can change your banner image. Click on change and select your downloaded image. From here also you can customize your banner art. You can see how will it be viewed on TV, on desktop, and viewed on all devices. So you see all your content is on the safe zone. You just need to click done. So YouTube takes some time to upload your banner image, so don't worry if you cannot see it immediately. Give it some time and you will surely see it. So once it is uploaded, it will look something like this on your laptops and like this on your phone.